learn about natural makeup tips. You know, like for instance, how to get the natural after-sex glow.
Whoa, that's pretty interesting. Am I on this one?
No, it's a beauty segment, Wilder.
Well, just for the record, I could help one achieve that look au naturel.
Well, thanks for the offer.
I'm not talking to you.
You have questions, we have answers. A typical makeup bag has your mascara, your foundation, your blush, your powder, your lipstick. The list goes on. Let's be honest, Halloween's over and it's time to get rid of that mask. I'm here with beauty expert Sarah Hankins, who's going to show us how to can that clown makeup and opt for a more natural look. Angela wants to know what are the latest natural products on the market.
We have a lot of really cool and interesting, unique green products on the market right now. The latest to launch is the Yes to Blueberries line, which you have to smell the Yes to Blueberries towelette.
Yeah, it smells like a blueberry cocktail.
And the next one is the Yes to Cucumbers conditioner, which is amazing. Smells delicious, just like cucumbers. And it's super, super moisturizing and hydrating because of the cucumbers.
So what benefits does using products that have fruits and vegetables in it have for your skin?
Well, one of the most major benefits is all the nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that are in them that are going to help keep your skin clear of free radicals. They're going to help nourish and revitalize and keep your skin looking young and fresh every day.
Because you are what you eat and what you put on your skin, right? What specifically do we have here then?
The Radiant Face Scrub is actually one of my most favorites. There's actually a sugar cane in here that helps with the foaming action naturally.
So it's a little sweet. There's like sugar. This is like a good time when you can use sugar, right?
I think you could eat this line.
Really?
Yeah.
Our second question comes from Farah, and she wants to find out how can she reduce puffiness in her eyes.
This is the nighttime eye serum. This is made with 84% aloe.
Oh, wow.
Which is incredible. So ultra nourishing, ultra hydrating for the skin. And it's also chock full of carrot juice, which has tons of vitamin A, which helps with brightening and also decreasing the lines in your eye.
Wow, that's okay. I feel like I need to try this.
It's
Put it
amazing.
on there. Oh. Third question comes from Jeanette, and she's a little frisky. She wants to know how to sexify her camping trip.
You have to make sure that your hair stays voluminous and gorgeous when you're camping. Because if you're like me, I need to wash my hair every day, and it's flat if I don't. But one way to combat that is with some dry shampoos.
Okay. Wow! That thing's got some, like, power.
And look how good your hair is. Awesome.
Our third question is from Jennifer. She wants to know how to get that after-sex glow.
So Jackie, we've stripped you of all your makeup, and we've got you in the hands of Pierce, our makeup artist, who's going to give you that after-sex glow.
All right, so now that we have you naked, let's get you that after-sex glow.
Okay. Add moisturizer to your foundation for a dewier look. Apply blush towards the back of your cheek to give a natural flush. Apply a highlighter in a C shape around the eye. Add water to your eyeshadow when applying. It'll look more natural and blend with your skin. Use lip gloss in the same color as your blush. I could totally do this whole natural thing. You know, I got the after-sex glow without having the sex, which is a good thing. Well, anyways, you showed me that less is more and that I'm a natural beauty, so thank you. Now I'm wondering, can we do the after-workout glow? Is that possible?
I love a natural woman.
Wilder, you love all women, natural or not natural.
Okay. I don't know what that means, but thanks for watching Oh So Cosmo. Don't forget to tweet us at Wilder Weir and at Josie Dye.
Yes, have a great night. Good night.
Good night.
Would you ever have sex outside?
Yes.
Oh, well, I like to keep it classy, so no.
Wow. In the public?
If it was probably like in a bush in a park, then okay, but not outside in public.
Mine was in an alleyway. Mine's
An alleyway.
really, really hot. It was like the sexiest thing ever.
It's too cold.
It's either too hot or too cold, so no. Personally, no. No, I don't think so.
It's like someone could come along at any time, and it's like that thrill, you know? It's like something else, something new.
I think it just turns most people on. It's like in a hot tub. I don't get it, but they like it.
Too risky, way too risky.